Hi, in this video we will learn how to compare two different numbers. How can we compare two different numbers? Numbers are 132, 127. So to understand how we can compare, we will work with base 10 blocks. So I'm going to draw base 10 block table here. So we have ones place, we have tens place here, and then we have hundreds place here. So this is hundreds place, tens, ones. So to describe this number, we will need 100 flat. I will use this big flat as a representation of 100. So we have one single 100 flat. So we have 3. That means I will use 3 10 rods for this. So we have 3 10 rods. That represents 10 block in this actually. And I will represent 2 by 2 small square. So basically this 10 rod is combination of these small blocks, 10 of them here, and this 100 flat is combination of these small squares in 100 flat. So this number represents here 132. So I will do the same block, 10 block, block 10, base 10 block table for 127. So we have ones place, we have tens place, and hundreds place. Thirds, tens, ones. So we have 100. That means I will use only 100 flat. So it has 100 single blocks, one blocks in it, and I have 2 10 rods. This represent 10 and this represent 10 as well, and then I have 7 small 1 blocks, each represents number 1. So I have 6 and then 7. So here we compare the values, which one has more value in which number. So we compare starting from the first digit. So each number we see that we have 1 in the 100 place, and that represents basically 100 in the hundreds place. 1 represents in the 100's place is 100. So starting from the left, we will move to the right. The second number in our second place in our number is tens place. So this one has 3 10 rods here. That means we will add 30 to our number, and the tens place digit in the other number 127 is 20, because we have 2 10 rods here, so that adds 20. So we see that it is 1 less 10 than the first number. And even though the second number, the second number has more ones, as we know, these ones are smaller than these tens, and ones in the 132, the first number here is 2. We just have 1 2 ones here. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones. So this 10 digit right here makes it different, as you see. So there are more tens in the first number. That's why even though we have bigger, larger ones place number, that 10 makes more difference than in the first number than the second number's tens place. That's why we use greater sign. So 132 is greater than 127 because of the tens place number. So we call this deciding digit. So what is deciding digit? When we compare these two different numbers, what do? We write them top to bottom. Let's write it right here. 132, 127. So we write them top to bottom and check the digits one by one from left to right. So ones are same. So we move to the next digit. So we check the next digit place value. So we are checking tens place. We see different numbers and then we stop there. As soon as we see different numbers, that means this is our deciding digit. Deciding digit. So we stop at the deciding digit, and which one has bigger number in digits? This number 3 is greater than number 2. That means this first number is greater number, and then we decide that this number has a greater value, and we use this greater symbol, greater than symbol. I hope this video helpful and you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye.